Today we're in the back room. Well, yeah, back room, sunroom, whatever you like to call it. And got to mask all of this off. Take down that blind. Because I didn't take that window the other day, but I'll take that blind down. And then I'll take down all of the hangers. And I'll see what's holding his pelmet up because it doesn't want to, it's basically there for life. Then I'll mask up all these windows and pull that set of shelves out. And yeah, I'm finishing off the bathroom and where the organ was. I've moved it a bit more. So I'm gonna clean up all of this, vacuum all of this stuff up, and then finish this part of that, and then the living room is done. And I might pull that light down too and just do that little bit. But anyway, yeah, get there. Let's get into it. Getting there. It's a bit of ceiling to do and a bit of those walls. Much easier without the organ being there. Yeah, hell of a lot. But the interesting thing is I'm almost out of three-step prep paint. So when that's done, I think I've got another tray full, but when that's done, it's 18 litres of that little sucker that's been painted in here. Because pretty much every single wall is getting a prep coat. So we start off with a blank canvas, which is good. Yeah, so I should have enough to finish this room. God, it looks a lot different through the camera. You can see all the sheen marks because the paint's still wet. But yeah, a little bit more to go and then happy days. Alrighty ho. We have all of this now in primer. And yeah, pretty happy with how that turned out. I mean, there's a bit of bleed through from behind because that ceiling white, I mean, you can see it there with more orange than anything else. Like it's actually even darker than the freaking wall colour. But anyway, that's looking nice and primed now. And yeah, so tomorrow we go into that sunroom and spray. Happy days. Yeah, and all this should be going Thursday. So yeah, what to do with this room. Cool. I'm just happy that this one's done. Finally. See you, Mr. Organ.